So I'm actually really glad somebody asked this question because it's inspired another video series that I'm filming. I'm actually filming a bunch of TikTok videos today, hence the makeup. But yes, let's talk about Virgo and their stomach problems. So first things first, Virgo is ruled over by Mercury, which is associated with the mind, our intellect, the way that we process information. And in medical astrology, Virgo is associated with the nervous system as well as the stomach. And then Virgo rules over the sixth house, which is the house of health, fitness. It's all about structure and organization and routine and how we can create that in our own lives. So essentially, people that have strong Virgo placements, there is a direct connection between your nerves and your stomach. Any sort of emotional stress that you are under will manifest itself as stomach problems. Virgos suffer from this a lot. They deal with nausea. They deal with irritable bowel syndrome. What else? They will deal with overeating or not eating as well. I feel bad about this because I've made fun of Virgo friends for this, but Virgos tend to be very picky eaters. Like if you've ever gone out to eat at a restaurant and you've been with a Virgo, they probably have very specific substitutes or instructions with their meal. And it's because they basically are hypersensitive to the connection to their nerves. And again, with the connection between their brain and their stomach, that sensitivity causes the stomach to be the main source of the manifestation of whatever stress or feelings they're going through. That's why it's very important for Virgos to take really good care of themselves, to make sure they have a well-balanced diet, that they're not eating foods that trigger them. It's going to be different for each person, but Virgos really have to figure out what is a good, healthy diet for them that doesn't make them feel like shit. Intuitive eating is so big for Virgos. Because on the flip side of having such a negative response to stress through the stomach, the positive side is that their intuition is actually rooted in their stomach. That's why whenever Virgos are nervous about something or they get a bad vibe about something, it's always their stomach will let them know. They literally will feel sensation in that area. Also, Virgos are known for being very hypercritical. And so if they have Virgo energy in the first house or even the sixth house, you have to be very careful because that can develop into eating disorders and just body dysmorphia and self-esteem issues as it relates to food and weight. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Virgo. I'm going to go through each of the signs and talk about the body part they rule over in medical astrology and how that manifests itself in our physical bodies.